This is a look at the genuine Gerber 98-009. This is the cold cartridge or the stem assembly. Get this little piece of paper with it for Gerber kitchen lavatory and bar faucets. And in here it says what it comes with: washer, cartridge. So you've got the washer here, and then of course the cartridge. You also get a small list of installation instructions, how to take the old cartridge out, put the new one in. And then the blue to show that it's the cold cartridge. Got a couple measurements here. Inside diameter, a little less than ½ inch. Overall diameter at the bottom, about 3/4 inch. Overall height of it is right about 2 inches. It's about 3/4 inch there. And then about 1¼ inches here. About 1/4 inch right there at the top of the stem. And then it's got the little washer right here also. And then the O-ring. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 98-009 cold ceramic cartridge.